So I'm going to be doing a deep dive into Clickfunnels 2.0. Now during this Clickfunnels 2.0 walkthrough, I'm going to show you all the new features that Clickfunnels has. Now in future videos, I'm going to be diving extremely in depth into every single one of those features because Clickfunnels 2.0 has completely changed the game. And when I say completely changed the game, instead of just building funnels, you can do so much. You can build websites. You can build obviously funnels. You can do follow-up email sequences. You can have physical products like a store. So similar to like Shopify, but think Shopify and funnels put together. So in future videos, I'm going to be going extremely into depth on how to use Clickfunnels 2.0. But in this particular video, I want to show you a complete walkthrough on what Clickfunnels 2.0 is, and more importantly, all the new features that they just released. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom, and more importantly, quit those 9-to-5 jobs. I used to work a 9-to-5 job, but with the power of Clickfunnels, I was able to build a $1 million business using the first platform. So I'm excited for Clickfunnels 2.0, and please subscribe to this channel if you have any questions at all. Let's get into the walkthrough. All right, so this is the Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard. Now, the first thing you'll notice is this navigation on the left, and the first thing you'll see is the dashboard itself. Now, the first thing is it's gonna walk you through this checklist on how to get started. So I highly suggest that you start here when you sign up for Clickfunnels 2.0. Now, I will have a link for Clickfunnels 2.0 down in the YouTube description, and that will take you through how to get signed up for Clickfunnels 2.0. But once you're inside, it's going to take you through how everything works. Now, what's really cool is there's going to be set up your funnel hub, which is pretty cool. A funnel hub is basically like your workspace. So think of like your workspace, and within that workspace, you're going to have your funnels, you're going to have your websites, you're going to have your blog, your email autoresponders. This is basically your digital office. So you want to set up your funnel hub right away. Okay, this is very, very important. Now, as you go through this, you can go ahead and set up your blog. So you don't even need WordPress anymore. You can literally create full-blown websites with Clickfunnels 2.0. You could also create a course or a membership area in Clickfunnels 2.0. A lot of my courses were done in Clickfunnels 1.0, so I'll be moving all my courses into 2.0 very, very soon. But this is very cool because you can have a whole membership area, and I've already played with the membership area in 2.0, and it's so much faster than the 1.0. And of course, you can set up funnels, workflows, email autoresponder sequences, and then you could even add products, of course. So like digital products or physical products, you can add all that in the workspace, and then you basically connect that to the funnels, which I'll show you as I go through the walkthrough. And then of course, and then last thing here is you can complete your payment gateway setup. So similar to Clickfunnels 1.0 where you had Stripe to collect payments, they're going to use a different payment. I believe it's called Payments AI, and that's the new payment gateway that they're going to be using for Clickfunnels 2.0. Now, this right here is just the setup. You don't absolutely have to go through this. It just makes things easier. But where you can really start building out your funnels and your website is with this button right here on the navigation. So if you click on this, it's going to take you to your workspace. Okay, so when you get set up, you're going to build out this customized theme. Okay, now what's cool is this theme, you can customize it right away. And when you build out anything later on, like funnels or pages, it's all going to be tied to this theme. So you really want to build this theme out right away before you build any funnels, because it's all going to tie back to this main theme. And when you build out anything else, it's all going to look the same. Okay, so what's really cool is I already built out this theme, but I can go and customize it right here if I want. And again, when I go and build any other funnels, any websites, it's all going to tie back to this theme right here. And of course, you can have your own custom themes in the future, but right now they do give you some templates that you can just click right away and it's going to populate into your workspace. All right, now you'll notice here on the left, okay, again, we're in this navigation, we're in the funnels and sites, and then it has this kind of sub navigation here. It's got an overview of everything, and if you click right here, then we go into the blog section, of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, what's really cool is you don't have to have WordPress anymore. You can literally create a full-blown website on ClickFunnels 2.0, whereas before you had to go off and build a WordPress site and connect that to your domain. What's cool about this is literally this is an all-in-one solution for your online business. You literally don't need any other software. You can build this all in the ClickFunnels 2.0 blog workspace, okay? So very simple here. You can go and create a blog right here on the top right. Now, I do want to mention that I'm going to create multiple videos on every single feature in ClickFunnels 2.0. How to create a blog, how to create a funnel. Right now, I'm just taking you through the walkthrough. That way you don't get overwhelmed, because ClickFunnels 2.0 is very, very powerful. But if you don't know what it can do, then you might get overwhelmed. So that's why I want you to watch this first, this walkthrough, and then I'm going to go into depth on every single piece that ClickFunnels 2.0 has to offer. And then, of course, in the future, I'm going to show you how to actually make lots of money with ClickFunnels 2.0, because like I said, I've done all this, but with multiple softwares, and then I had to glue it all together, whereas now it's all in one. This is going to be very, very nice if you're just starting out, because you don't have to worry about any other software. So let's get back to it. Now, if we go back to the blog section here, you'll notice if I go and click on this, you can very easily go inside of these pages and edit the blog, just like regular ClickFunnels, where you can go and edit this. But as you can see now, I can go and create a completely new blog in this new platform. It's super, super cool, okay? I can't believe they added this. I am so excited they added the blog, because now not only do you have the power of funnels, but now you have the power of website as well. And of course, we're gonna talk about this later on. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, like why you need all this, of course, I'm gonna show you how to monetize and why we do all this later on. This is just a walkthrough, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and go back. One thing you'll notice, it's very quick, okay? I haven't paused this video really to click on any of these because it's very, very fast, okay? So the page speed is incredible. Okay, so let's go to the next one here, which is the customer center. Now, if you're creating membership areas, if you're creating courses, this is what it's gonna look like to your students, to your members, okay? So for example, here in the dashboard here, you'll notice when someone clicks on a course or when they buy a course, it's going to show up in here, right? So whatever course you have, let's just say you have 2 courses or 3 courses, it's going to show up very, very easily in this customer center, okay? So that's basically what this is. If you don't have any courses yet, then that's okay. But this is what the customer center allows you to do, okay? And you can see how many people are inside the program. And of course, I'm going to move all my courses into here in the near future, but that's what this is, okay? And you'll see it's again all going to tie back to that initial template that we had in the beginning, okay? So make sure you set that up first. That way it shows throughout the whole workspace in ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, at the time of recording this video, they do not have the affiliate center ready quite yet. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's basically your own affiliate program. So basically, if you have a course and you want to have affiliates promoting that course, they now have a new affiliate center where you can go and allow affiliates to promote that course, okay? Whereas before, they had an affiliate center before, it just wasn't as good, okay? So this is going to be a lot better at tracking affiliates. So if you do take on affiliates, that's what this is right now. All right, so of course we have funnels, right? That's what ClickFunnels is known for. So right here, if we click on funnels, it takes you to the funnel workspace, which in my opinion is the most important part. Funnels is what helped me create my 7-figure online business as an affiliate marketer. This is what I teach my students to do, right? To build your email list using a funnel. So this is the most important thing in my opinion, because if you don't have a funnel, I don't think you really don't have an online business. Yes, you might have a website, but you don't really have a way to get people, into your email list and to buy your products, okay? So the funnel section here is really, really cool. I can go and let's just say click into here. And again, I can go and create this funnel very easily. So you'll notice it's very quick, okay? And I haven't paused this video at all because I'm just literally clicking into it in real time. And it's very, very, very smooth, okay? So I can go and create funnels. I can go and edit, test headline. So I can go and create this. I can add photos very, very easily. Similar to the old platform, it's just so much faster, like night and day quicker, okay? You can do this all in obviously ClickFunnels 2.0. And what's cool is you can add to this as well. Okay, so I can add here, I can add a page, I can add a split test right here. Lots of cool things. All right, I'm not going to go super into depth with this because I want to create a completely new training on how to do this in the later videos. Okay, so after funnels, we have pages right here. Now, pages is basically the pages that you can add to the funnels itself. Okay, so you can kind of build these out separately if you'd like. So if you have any standalone pages that you want and you want to create that, you know, outside of the funnel, you can go ahead and do that inside of pages. Now, what's cool here is they have these theme pages here on the top here. They're going to give you all these kind of done for you type pages already done. Like if someone goes to a website or part of your website and it's not there, then they give you like, hey, this not found website. You know, have you ever been to any website and like you go to the wrong URL or the wrong path? It's like, hey, 404, can't find this. Okay, so it kind of populates all this for you based on the theme that you chose. Okay, and of course they have site pages as well. This is basically if you want to add like a page to one of your websites. That's what the sites pages allows you to do. Okay, and you can manage it all in this area here. Okay, and then of course we have funnel pages. So when you go and create like, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3 of the funnel, you can go and see them all here. Okay, what's cool is you could do all this in funnels. You can do all this, you know, when you're creating your website, but this allows you to kind of see it all in one map, if that makes sense. Okay, so like I have multiple funnels here. So if I create multiple steps within that funnel, I'm gonna go ahead and see that. I can see all these steps here, right? So let's just say this is step 1 of one of the funnels I created, and then I create another page where this is step 2, but it's all under the same funnel. Okay, you'll notice it's like affiliate bridge page or whatever that funnel is called. All right, so you can basically see all your pages here. Really cool. Okay, the next tab we have here is URL redirect. So basically pretty simple here. So let's just say you have a website going to a certain page and you want that to go to a completely new page name. You can redirect it. Okay, so very simple. Okay, let's just say you own google.com. If you own google.com, you could redirect it and say, I want this to go to gaggle.com, whatever it is. Okay, you can do that right here. Obviously you have to own the URL, but let's just say you had a new one and you want it to go to a different one. You can very simply do it here. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so the next tab we have is the course section. So this is where you can actually build out your online course, which is pretty cool. Okay, so basically, remember we talked about the customer care center. This is gonna be linked together. Okay, so basically, if you go into a course that you created, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so your customer care center, and then it's gonna have all your courses that you have here. Okay, and people can very easily go into this course, you know, click on these modules here. It's going to expand into your online course with the video modules, the resources, all that good stuff. Okay, so that's all going to be here once you create your course. All right, and of course we have your domains and URL. Very simple, right? You can buy a domain straight through Google here, or if you have a domain like on Namecheap or GoDaddy, you can go ahead and connect your existing domain right here. Okay, so again, later on I'm going to be doing super deep dives in every single one of these. Okay, if you don't know how to connect your domain into ClickFunnels 2.0, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we've only talked about, you'll notice here, we've only talked about sites and funnels so far. Okay, so if we go back to the dashboard, we go to the main navigation, you'll notice the next section here is the product. So the products, this allows you to add all your digital products, your physical products, all in one kind of CRM. Okay, so basically you can add all your products here and then you link this to the funnel itself. So once you create the funnel, you know, you create, you know, product 1, product 2, you connect all this back to the funnel once you go and create that. Okay, so very simple here. You just go and create the product. Let's just say you have a course for, you know, $1,000 or whatever it is, so $997. Okay, you add the price here, whatever it is. Let's just say you have a shirt, okay, a physical product, you know, for, I don't know, 20 bucks. And you have all this within your funnel. You can go and connect all that later on. Okay, so pretty cool. All that you can do inside of here. Now you can have the tags as well. So you can kind of link products to the correct thing. And when people buy a certain product, you're like, hey, this person bought product 1, will open up this thing based on that tag. Okay, so that's what the tags is. At the moment of creating this video, they don't have collections. Basically you can have like a playlist of things or like a group of things you can buy. They have discounts as well, so that's pretty cool. So, you know, if you have some sort of discount code, you you can have that. And of course, if you do physical products, you have the inventory in here as well. Now the next step here is if I go back and I go to orders, you can see all the orders or all the things that people are buying. What's cool here is you can see the one-time purchases here. So basically if you have like a one-time course where people buy it and they, you can see it all here. If they have a reoccurring, so whether you have like a membership, like $30 a month plan, or if you have like a 3-pay course or a 5-pay, you can see all the recurring orders right here. Okay, so you can kind of separate them out within the ClickFunnels 2.0 workspace. Okay, so the next one here are the contacts. So you can go and see all your contacts. What did they buy? What did they do? Did they not buy? Are they in this email sequence? So it's pretty cool because you can see, both contacts and you can see all the visitors coming in as well. Okay, but what's cool is the contacts, you can have certain segments with them. If they perform certain tasks within the funnel, within the websites, you can see what that person is doing at that time. You could really see, okay, how can I get this person ascended to the next part of the funnel? Okay, so the contacts, very, very powerful. Next part here is the analytics. Obviously, you can go and see all the page views, all the opt-ins, how much you're making, the conversion. I know they're adding a ton of data to this, so they're even adding more to this. So I'm really excited about this part because you can see a lot more data than what we've seen in the past. Okay, they have a reporting tab here as well. So you can see all your opt-ins by funnel, by landing page, your recurring subscriptions. You can see all the sales by funnel, by product, total sales. Literally all the reporting is here, okay? And then we have a live view as well, which is really, really cool. Okay, you can see what's happening in real time as you're creating this, as you're launching, your funnels, your pages, your hubs, everything. You can see all this in real time, okay? Next part here is we have the marketing, okay? So basically inside of here, you can create workflows, right? So basically what that means is if someone goes into your funnel, then what happens next, right? Do they get an email? Do they get a text message? What do they get, right? So you can literally create this inside of here. Now you do need to have the settings figured out here. After you have that done, you can go and have workflows. So this is your automation. You can have one-time broadcast. So let's just say you have an email list of 100,000 people. You can go ahead and send a one-off broadcast to those 100,000 people using here. You can have email templates inside. You can have countdown timers. You have all your marketing settings within this tab right here. Super, super powerful. Okay, one thing you'll notice about 2.0 is you kind of have things broken out, all right? And then you kind of all connect them, in the funnels, in the websites later on, okay? So you kind of break it out, that way it's more simple, and then you connect it all in the future. So think of all these things on the left as like multiple softwares, and then you connect them all together within the website, okay? So it's very, very powerful. You can do a ton with it, okay? So that's where we're at so far. Next one here is the sales tab. You can see exactly what's going on inside of here. Or once you go and create products and you sell it, you can see exactly what's going on. They give you opportunities. They have a conversion tab. You can do a lot more with this that is at this time is not available, but it's coming in the very near future. And then of course we have your settings tab here. So all your logos, your workspace name, all this stuff, right, is all in the settings area. Your integrations, your billing, all the stuff that you would typically have in a settings if you're using any type of software, okay? You also have your themes, your styles here. You can kind of set that all up in your settings, okay? Last thing we have here is the payments AI. So this is similar to Stripe, okay, which is basically a payment gateway. So if you have an online course, if you have physical products, this allows you to collect the payments, and then obviously once you collect the payments, you can transfer that straight to your bank account. That's before ClickFunnels used Stripe. It looks like they are using a brand new payment gateway. So excited about this one. It's always good to diversify anyways. So I'm excited to check that out as well. Now, one thing I really want to iterate here is the asset section. Okay, this is pretty cool. So inside of here, you can upload everything, your logos, your photos, you can upload your videos, right? So if you're going to go ahead and create an online course, you can upload everything to the workspace itself, okay? You can have all your assets in this section. It's super, super cool. And if you have any downloads, any files that you want to give out as lead magnets, you can have this inside the asset section as well. Of course, if you have any audio files, or any specific fonts, you can have this all within the ClickFunnels 2.0 workspace. Super, super powerful here. I'm excited about this because now, again, we don't have to use other software. We can use just the ClickFunnels 2.0 whole system to basically build our business. So that's the complete walkthrough of ClickFunnels 2.0. I'm super excited about it for myself and my business. More importantly, I'm excited to help my students out with this new software, helping them in their businesses. Again, I help 9-to-5ers that are stuck at their 9-to-5 job achieve financial and time freedom. The goal is to always help them on their path to achieving, financial and time freedom. So I believe that this software is going to be a major, major help. And that's why in the next upcoming videos, the next upcoming trainings, I'm going to really dive deep into how we can use this software for, specifically our affiliate business, because that's what I teach. I teach affiliate marketing. That's how I was able to build a, 6-7 figure business, and more importantly, quit my job. But I want to show people how you can use this software, not only for an affiliate business, but an overall business as well. So I'm going to be deep diving into every aspect of ClickFunnels 2.0 because I think it's very, very powerful, and there's a ton that you can do with it. But I hope that you enjoyed this walkthrough. I will leave a link down below to sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0, and that way you can become a master at using this, and more importantly, build the skills. That way you can make a lot of money using this software. So I'll leave a link down below to the ClickFunnels 2.0 software. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have any questions at all, or if you just want to see more content on how to achieve financial and time freedom. Comment down below if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next video. God bless.